Okay, I want to show you guys this Fun facial scrubber, as well as a cold blue light and a warm red light device. This is actually really, really cool. My husband got it for me and I was like, oh, thanks. You know, I'll try it out to wash my face. And then I noticed that you've got, so let me turn it on. Okay, there is a red light in the back, and you can, there's 3 different settings for the red light, and this middle part gets warm to the touch, so it's super relaxing to just kind of put that around your face. I have been wanting to try red light therapy. So this kind of seems like a good little way to dip my toes in it. We're in the sun a ton, so I do worry about my face and wrinkles. I haven't done Botox or anything. Kind of want to stay all natural. But in addition to the warm red light, there's a cold light. You just click the snowflake and you get the blue light, and then this middle part gets cold. And there are 3 levels to that as well. It gets really cold, super icy. I have used it a couple times on the bags under my eyes. My newborn baby has been up a lot, and I feel like my face gets really puffy when I'm tired, so it's been really nice to just use that cold feature on here. And then the little bristles on the front are nice. There's these bigger ones right here, and then these smaller ones. It's just very soft and gentle, and you feel like you can really move it, move things out of your pores. And then put on your moisturizer and finish off with something cold or warm, depending on how your skin is feeling. So yeah, I was really pleasantly surprised by this. I like all the extra features, the cold feature and the warm feature, and I definitely will be using this.